up some condensed glue gels. Keep in mind, you don't want to do too much of the condensed glue gel. There's really thick density, and it will hold down your crystal flat back, charm, chains, and anything. And if you are loving your 3D crystal pointed backs or cluster, check out the extra thick condensed glue gel. It hold, actually, I am using that one for this nails. Either ways, I'm gonna do right here in the center. And then pick up some green. Oh, this looks so beautiful. These two are so cute together. Look like a royal nails. And I am using both kits is glow in the dark kits. Oh my god, hold on. There's a glow in the dark I haven't shown you, yeah. There are glow in the dark kits. I'm gonna pull it out right now and add some beads on. This is really cool when you see it's under the flashlights. The gel will reflect. It's so beautiful. Just make it look totally a different experience. Get the actual one right there. So now if you want to get the beads on, you can definitely place them between the crystal and crystal, or you can just leave like without the bead. It looks so cute and gorgeous anyway. And then you see that I wipe up on the side to make sure that it's not going to like have any you know, like extra, the excess condensed glue gel or the top coat. So if you're happy with this, we are going to flash cure this for 30 seconds, and then we're definitely gonna cure completely, full cure, when we are finished all 5 nails. I'm gonna move it just a little bit to make sure that it's in the centers that I want, unless you want to do it like on the side of the nails. All right, looks so adorable.